Hello everyone, this is Scrapbooking Diva and I'm sharing a layout with you. This layout that I created, the way that I did this, the first thing I started was with the picture. I printed the picture 5x7 in my computer and I wanted to make it stand out with the red. So the paper that I used, it actually came from the K & Company. And this is one, I think this is one of their papers that came out for Valentine's Day. And that's what I use. Now to create the hearts that you can see here, the hearts I actually cut them with, I use my Accent Essentials. And I use the heart that you see on the back. That's how I cut them. Now the stickers that you see here of the heart, this was just some stickers that I bought a while back online. The sentiment that you see here that it says "you make me smile," right there. This I actually use the Stampin' Up! FYI stamps, and I just one of their sentiments. Now the flowers were simply some Prima flowers that I purchased. These are just basically 3D stickers that I purchased. The ribbon, I purchased it a while back, I can't remember where I purchased it. But I added some ribbon, I added some flowers right here and right here. I added some stickles to the center of my flowers, as you can see here. I matted it on this cardstock, and then I added another circle here, another circle bigger than that, and a larger piece right here. So actually it has 1, 2, 3, 4 papers, and this one makes 5. And that's how I created the look. Now if you can see here, actually this looked like this. It actually came like that. So what I did was I took it and I painted. I use the Red Wagon from Making Memories paint. Then when it was dry, I added some Studio G glitter and some chunky glitter. And that's how I gave it, if you can see that beautiful look right there. And then I used a rub-on that I have for a while. And I added the word love right there. And this is a layout that I came up with. I like the black and white picture against the red. So this is another idea you can get, that you can do with your black and white pictures. In this layout, same thing, I printed it in a 5x7. And if I'm not mistaken, okay, so the paper that I used was the Die Cut with a View, the Guy Stack. I love it. So I cut one of the little designs. I used some letters that I had that I purchased a while back, and I kept it very simple. I added a border and another border down here, and that's basically it. I matted the picture, and this is what I came up with. I wanted to keep it very simple because I like the look of the black and white with the against the brown background, which is very, very manly. So this is some ideas of how you can use your black and white pictures against other colors, and they look very, very nice. I'm really happy with the way this came out. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and you have a great day.